How's it going today, YouTube? I'm your boy T-var.
And I'm Saviib.
And today we're going to be talking about how to get your first 20 subscribers within a week to a month. So
for us, it happened in about 20 days. We got our first 20 subscribers. The way we did it, we just hustled, or I hustled. I don't know about him. Somebody's lazy. But I just shouted out. I copied the link from the videos we were posting. I would text them to people, email them. I was just constantly asking people to subscribe and just to watch the videos. So that's how I did my half. How did you do your half?
Pretty much the same thing. I was just, letting family, friends know, posting our stuff online, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, whatever it was, and then talking to certain people about it. I did take things at a moderate pace just because I had the problem that I'm trying, that you guys shouldn't, is there's nothing wrong with research and taking too much time.
No.
But
he's got analysis paralysis. He's too afraid to jump.
That's not true. I like things to go out smoothly. But again, that's a double-edged sword. You can either take too much time or not enough time. But my problem, at the end of the day, we still got some subscribers because of me, so.
We did. And, it was kind of a beef between the both of us because I like things done and he likes them done slowly.
But see, we switched roles because before, when I was all about, let's get it done, he was the one that was sitting there like, nah. But you always have to have that chemistry. If you're going to have a partnership in YouTube, whether it's 2 of you, 3 of you, 4 of you, or however much, iron sharpens iron. So we also don't agree on things all the time. Yeah, but that's also good because you don't want the stuff to get bland. So
exactly. So keep it spicy.
Yeah.
And if you've gotten one of those text messages from us and you still haven't subscribed, shame on you. Now's your chance. Subscribe. It's right below. When you're in the bathroom, I'm gonna make sure I'm like right there, and I'm gonna say Candyman 5 times. I'm gonna leave you in the bathroom, and I'm just gonna lock it and run. That's how we did it. Stay tuned. We'll get another update once we hit 50. We'll tell you what else we did to change it up.
So,
comment, like, subscribe.